So from today we will start with ventral spinocerebellar tract and dorsal spinocerebellar tract. Both of these tracts are having same function. Their main function is they control the subconscious kinesthetic sensation, or it is also known as proprioception. Proprioception or subconscious kinesthetic sensation means here it is a sensation of position of body. Sensation of position of body is known as subconscious kinesthetic sensation. So first we will study about the ventral spinocerebellar tract. Ventral spinocerebellar tract is also known as Gower's tract or anterior spinocerebellar tract. This tract is situated in the lateral right column of spinal cord along the lateral side. So the first order neuron of this tract is situated in the posterior root ganglia. Second order neuron is situated in the marginal nucleus in posterior gray horn of spinal cord. And there is no third order neuron because this tract terminates below the level of cerebral cortex. It does not reach to the cerebral cortex. This tract terminates in the anterior lobe of cerebellum. So the fibers of first order neuron, they are arising, the fibers from the various receptors, that is proprioceptors, they will reach to the first order neuron, which is situated in the posterior root ganglia, and these fibers are reaching from the proprioceptors, which are there in the muscles, tendons, joints and ligaments. So these fibers here you can see here in the diagram, these fibers in the red colored fibers are the fibers of ventral spinocerebellar tract. These fibers from first order neuron, that is posterior root ganglia, fibers will reach to the marginal nucleus in the posterior gray horn. This tract has got both crossed and uncrossed fibers. Majority of the fibers from the marginal nucleus, they cross the midline and ascend in the lateral white column of opposite side. Some fibers, they ascend in the lateral white column of the same side. Then these fibers, here you can see, they are ascending upward. They will ascend upward through the spinal cord. They will cross the medulla oblongata, pons and midbrain, and finally these fibers will reach the cerebellum through the superior cerebellar peduncle. So here finally these fibers will terminate in the cortex of anterior lobe of cerebellum. The function of this tract is, this tract carries the impulses of subconscious kinesthetic sensation, or also known as proprioception. This is nothing but the sensation of position of our body. Then effect of lesion of this tract, if there is any lesion in this tract causes loss of subconscious kinesthetic sensation in the opposite side. So this is about the dorsal spinocerebellar tract. This is about the ventral spinocerebellar tract. The next one is about the dorsal spinocerebellar tract. So this the first order neuron for the dorsal spinocerebellar tract is posterior root ganglia. The second order neuron is situated in the dorsal nucleus of Clark in posterior gray horn of spinal cord. And this tract also does not have a third order neuron here because the fibers of this tract, they terminate in the anterior lobe of cerebellum. So this tract does not have third order neuron. This tract is also known as Flechsig tract or posterior spinocerebellar tract. Same like ventral spinocerebellar tract, this tract also is a pathway for the subconscious kinesthetic sensation, or also known as proprioception, that is the sensation of position of body. But this tract has got only uncrossed fibers, whereas ventral spinocerebellar tract has got both crossed and uncrossed fibers. This tract is situated in the lateral white column of spinal cord along the posterior lateral side. Now the fibers from various proprioceptors, they will reach to the first order neuron, which is situated in the posterior root ganglia, and it receives the impulses from various proprioceptors. This tract has got only uncrossed fibers. Now these fibers here in the diagram you can see they are green colored. So here these fibers, they will reach to the dorsal nucleus of Clark. Here you can see dorsal nucleus of Clark, which forms the second order neuron, and they will reach the lateral white column of same side. Then fibers will ascend upward. They will cross medulla oblongata and finally they will reach to the cerebellum through inferior cerebellar peduncle, and then the fibers will finally terminate on the anterior lobe of cerebellum along with fibers of ventral spinocerebellar tract. The function of this tract is also same like ventral spinocerebellar tract, that is, it controls subconscious kinesthetic sensation. The effect of lesion of this tract, if there is any lesion in this tract, it causes loss of subconscious kinesthetic sensation on the same side. So this is about the dorsal spinocerebellar tract.